If you run a jaw crusher, you know downtime is your biggest enemy. One bad bearing or broken toggle can take out a full day or even a week of production. In today's video, we're breaking down real-world preventive maintenance tips that'll extend the life of your crusher and keep you making rock, not repair. Jaw crushers are built to crush hard rock, but they're not bulletproof. Dust, vibration, and high impact wear everything down over time. Most of the failures I see out in the field could have been prevented with regular checks. Things like loose jaw bolts, low grease, or worn toggle plates. The goal here isn't just avoiding breakdowns, it's saving money, protecting your machine, and keeping your crew safe. Start every day with a 10-minute walk around. Visual check. Look for leaks, loose belts, cracked guards, or missing bolts. Jaw dies. Make sure they're tight and seated flat. Any movement means uneven wear. Toggle plate and bearings. Listen for clunking or grinding. That's your early warning sign. Lubrication. Check the grease points on the pitman and toggle. Fresh grease pushes out the old dirt and moisture. A dry bearing is a dead bearing. A $10 tube of grease can save you a $10,000 rebuild. Every week, shut the crusher down for a deeper look. Tighten all jaw die bolts. They loosen from vibration. Inspect the V-belts for cracks or glazing. Tension them to spec. Clean around the motor and frame. Caked on dust traps heat and shortens bearing life. Check your discharge conveyor. Build-up or worn rollers can put extra load on the crusher. Think of it like an oil change on your truck. Cheap insurance. These small things keep your crusher balanced and prevent a domino effect of wear. Once a month, do a full system inspection. Check your toggle seat and pitman alignment. Any uneven gap means uneven crushing. Inspect your jaw dies and cheek plates. Flip or replace before they're worn through. Change hydraulic oil and filters quarterly if you're running hydraulics on tension systems or tramp relief. And always track your hours. Most OEMs recommend bearing replacement intervals. If you don't know your hours, you're guessing. Here are the top mistakes I see in the field. Running the crusher with loose jaw bolts. Forgetting to grease bearings. Ignoring vibration or noise. It always means something's coming loose. Waiting too long to flip wear parts. These all lead to downtime, cracked castings, or worse, complete failure. Maintenance isn't glamorous, but it's what separates a profitable operation from one that's always behind. Make it part of your routine, not an afterthought. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe to RPG Equipment, and drop a comment below on what's worked best for your crew. I'm Ryan. See you in the next one, where we'll cover how to choose the right jaw crusher for your project.